Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the first ever Walmart haul I've ever done. I just typically am so overwhelmed by Walmart's app and also their website that I personally have historically found it very difficult to search for clothing. But if you guys are familiar with my channel, you know I'm in the process of flipping all synthetics out of my closet in favor of natural fibers, namely 100% cotton clothing, which can be very, very tough to find at a reasonable price, which is why I was like literally losing my mind when I heard that they came out with a new label called Free Assembly. And not only are all of these clothes here cotton, 100% cotton, some of them are even organic cotton. Like, to think that you can get organic cotton clothing at Walmart prices, like I am in heaven. So the first thing I grabbed for the spring summer season was this darling little top here, you guys. Oh my gosh, this yellow gingham is so sweet. Love the little puff sleeve, and then it has this darling ruffle detail on the sleeve. It is so adorable. It's got a nice little flow factor to it. Definitely runs big, so I sized down to an extra small. It fit perfectly. It's just the sweetest little top for the warmer months. And I love the fact that you can not only wear this on the shoulder, but if you want to, you can also like take it off the shoulder too for a really breezy vibe. I love tops like this. Like, you can easily wear this with a pair of jeans, a white denim skirt, white shorts, like whatever you want. It's just so sweet for the summer months. Okay, so the next thing I found amongst this collection was this shirt dress here. And I have to say, like, historically, I don't really work well with shirt dresses. I don't find them to be particularly flattering on my body type. But I love this. And now this definitely runs way big. So this is a small. I totally need to size down to an extra small. It is a beautifully breezy cotton fabrication, you guys. This even has a lining along the skirt that is also cotton. Sometimes what I find is that labels and designers cop out on a cotton dress and add a polyester lining, which drives me crazy. So I was so impressed to see that they went with a cotton lining for this one. Of course, it does have the buttons that are functional entirely down the bodice and all the way down to the end of the skirt. Depending on how tall you are, this is either going to be a midi or a maxi length. Now, one word to the wise, this is extremely see-through on the bodice area. I'm not quite sure why they went with a gorgeous lining on the skirt and then kind of just forgot about it for the top, because this is very sheer. In fact, I initially tried it on without a cami and was like, whoa. Even with a nude colored bra, you could totally see everything. So I just went with a nude cami underneath. Much better. This is such a breezy, beautiful option. This yellow color is so perfect for the spring summer season. I cannot wait to get this in an extra small. I love this dress. So when it came to bottoms, one of the things I was intrigued by were their midi length denim skirts, which aren't always easy to find. So I grabbed it in this gorgeous white tone. It's almost like a bone color, but this is so beautiful. And guys, what I love about this cut and this silhouette is how flattering it is, namely because since they went with a longer pocket, it actually creates like a slight flare at the hips, which is super flattering because it makes your waist look really, really tiny. It's a very interesting effect. Again, it is a midi length, and this is such a substantial cotton skirt, you guys. Like, you know, a lot of times white denim can be like really thin, very see-through. This is so thick, but very comfortable, not see-through whatsoever. It's got the functional pockets on the back. It's just absolutely beautiful. So this next top here is basically another version of that yellow gingham I showed you at the beginning. I wanted to get it in just a plain white because I have an obsession with wearing white tops with jeans in the warmer months, just because I think it is so fresh looking. Now, one thing I wanted to point out in terms of the detail that went into these tops. So again, not only are all these clothes cotton or organic cotton, like they did not cut corners. Even like the little like strings that are used to hold it on a hanger, you know, typically these are plastic. These are cloth. Like, what a great attention to detail. And again, from a brand that you find at Walmart. Much like that yellow gingham top, again with the puff sleeve, the sweet little ruffling on the end of the cuff there, and it just has such a darling little flow to it. This actually is almost like a seersucker cotton. It's so darling on. I love these tops. So continuing with my obsession with white tops in the warmer months, I also grabbed this. You guys, like again, Walmart, feminine details, beautiful. Walmart. Like, I cannot get over this. This is such a sweet top with the ruffled collar. I found that while it is high, it's not annoyingly high. It's actually really comfortable. Love that crochet detailing right along the collarbone. And it does have a proper cuff with buttons that do have a slight puff to them. You guys, this is such a flattering top. It does have the keyhole design in the back with a little button at the nape of the neck. Just absolutely beautiful fit, and it is true to size. So one of the big trends we're seeing are shirt jackets, and I just personally am normally not drawn to them whatsoever. I find that they're just oversized, they're sloppy looking, they're not flattering. But I saw this one, and what I love about this jacket is while it is a shirt jacket, it is not crazy obnoxious oversized, it's not sloppy looking, it has like a very tailored, again, expensive look to it, which is perfect when you're trying to look expensive on a budget. Now this is like more of like an ivory shade, so it's not a stark white, but again, the detail of this jacket, 100% cotton, it feels so good on. It has the perfect weight to it, and also I love the fact that they went with the tortoiseshell buttons, just such a beautiful touch. This is just the perfect coat, again, to get that elevated casual vibe. So now when it comes to tops, as you probably already noticed, I'm a sucker when it comes to those feminine details that aren't like obnoxiously so. Like I love a puff sleeve, I love a well-placed ruffle. And so when I saw this knit top, I literally like jumped on it because number one, I'm so attracted to this periwinkle color. It is absolutely beautiful. And again, just love the puff sleeve that's almost like a minimal puff sleeve, nothing like obnoxious or crazy. And again, with those details, love the fact that they went with almost a 3/4 length sleeve, but then they added this extra substantial cuff to it to give the sleeve some volume. This is so comfortable on. It's a beautiful cotton fabrication. Again, just a classic top that is so easy to dress up or down. Like literally tops like this, I wear the heck out of because you can style them in so many different ways. You can wear them with a skirt, you can wear them with jeans, you can even wear them with a cute pair of shorts and like a straw hat on a cool summer day. So just love, love, love this style. In fact, I think I'm gonna go back on the website to see what other colors they have because I love this style so much. And finally, rounding out this video, I do have a couple more bottoms, including 2 pairs of jeans. Now they did offer a super high-rise skinny, which I pounced on mainly because look at this rinse. You guys, this is so perfect for the spring and summer season. And what I totally appreciate, other than the super high rise, which is so flattering, is the fact that the rinse itself has no like crazy whiskering on it. It's this beautifully saturated blue all the way down to that clean hem. You guys know I tend to hate like scissor hems, unfinished hems. This is such a classic. Now, unfortunately, these are slightly too long for me. They're probably like a 29 inseam and I really need a 27. Not sure if they sell these in a petite or not. I'll have to go back onto the website. But again, there's no distressing whatsoever. It's just a beautiful classic skinny jean. Now these are primarily cotton. There is a touch, just a touch of spandex in them to give them a super nice fit. One of the things too I love about these jeans, not only are they cotton, but they also were really conscientious about how they constructed them. The tag says the closed loop water recycling allows us to treat 100% of the water used in making our jeans. 85% of the water is recycled and reused, saving up to 500,000 gallons per day. I love that. And another pair of jeans which I had to get was this retro flare. You guys, I am all about the flare jeans. I have always loved flare jeans. And literally like a couple weeks ago, I was like, oh, I want to find like a lighter rinse with front pockets to really get like those boho 70 vibes. And guess where they show up? Walmart. It was so good. These are also a high rise. These have such a great fit to them. And again, that clean hem with the thicker cuff, which I think is such a sweet touch. These have like the perfect flare to them. There's no distressing. I love the extra wide pockets in the back. Love, love, love the fit of these. I did go with my usual size 4 and they fit like a glove. But much like that skinny pair, again, look at how beautiful of a rinse this is. There's no crazy whiskering across the thighs or on the back or shimmying down the thighs towards the knee. It's just completely uniform. And that is so hard to find on a pair of jeans, especially at a price point like this. Okay guys, and finally, they had a pair of cotton joggers, which I thought would be like a sweat pant, but these are actually like pants you would wear out in public, and they are cute. They are a little voluminous, like in the hip area, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them, but they're super comfortable on, and they do have just like a traditional cuff. It's not like, you know, cinched at the bottom like a sweatpant typically is, so clearly these are meant to be worn out and about, again, for that elevated casual vibe. The elastic waistband with that drawstring allows you to get the perfect cinch. It does have one pocket in the back. These are literally like throw on and go. I love to wear pants like this with something just as simple as like a white tank top. Sometimes I'll throw on a denim jacket and you are out the door, and they do have functional pockets as well. They're just a really nicely constructed pair of pants. Okay guys, so that is it for my first ever Walmart clothing haul. And again, like, I'm so impressed with the quality of these clothes. Like, literally, normally when you find cotton clothing, and most especially organic cotton clothing, the price points are 3, 4, sometimes 5 times as much as what we're seeing here. So definitely let me know in the comments down below, like, have you checked out Free Assembly? What do you think about this line? I am going to be honing in on their website to see what else they come out with, because I am just, again, so impressed. Everything I showed you today will be linked down below. But in any event, thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.